Wow, look at that. They've gotten a lot done. They totally dug out the basement. So that's cool. Oh. They said they found some bottles, but man, those are some old ones. Oh! Check that out! Oh my god! These are so old. These must have been trash from whenever the place was turned in, or it was built. That is really cool. Looks like that's also part of a sewer line that they ripped up. It's interesting. Today they are putting the floor on the front deck. The brick guys got the arches all made and they're working on the other section down there. So let's go outside and help them. Actually, I've already been helping them, but I had to let the battery charge, so that's why you're joining me through the middle of the day. So guys, this is Benny's building they're using for storage. It's pretty cool. It's a neat old building. A lot of the Red Rooster stuff's being stored over here. Plus stuff from the other restaurant in town. It's a really neat old building. It'd be cool to buy something like this and turn it into a workshop. Oh, those bricks have come down. An old Electrolux vacuum cleaner. It's pretty cool. Fry vats. And there's people down here, so I might not film.
Go to the old courthouse, ask for Sandy Lighthizer. She'll steer you in the right direction.
Okay, cool. So we were just talking about how old this building probably is. Probably from the 1940s, you'd say?
I would guess, yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
They used to stamp the bricks, too.
There's a few stamped bricks on the Red Rooster. Oh, that's weird. It's a really cool building. Little windows. Yeah, it looks like this is suffering from the same problem the Red Rooster did. So they put like concrete in here instead of the mortar that should be here. And so I'm surprised it didn't kill the bricks. Probably needs repointing. Because you see, the original mortar was supposed to be red. I'm not sure what like type it's supposed to be, but whatever. Looks like someone drove into that. Wow. Had some force there. So this building is part of that one. At least he also owns that one, so it's part of that restaurant. Oh wow, that's quite a beat up thing. Huh. Oh yeah, and this is the laundromat, I think. No, the dry cleaner, sorry. Not sure if they're still open or anymore. Yeah, looks like they're still in business. Whoops.
Oh, look, come on.
I'm
He's helping people to come in. Look at you.
Yeah, why not?
I'm helping by recording you.
According to reports Steve and I left the show with this here, the Browns are committed to drafting Josh Allen. His first overall pick this week. Now the NFL Network last night.
So the bottles they found were this one, F. Weber and Bro, Pana, Illinois. Now this one is made right near here, maybe a few miles away. Just look at that. I'm gonna see if I can try to get these, because that would be so wonderful. A&DH Co. Nice old blue bottles. Looks like chipped there with the new chip from digging. And this one doesn't seem to have any writing on it. Looks to be a wine bottle. It's like a clear bluish. You know that's gotta be old. Definitely a cork top. It was probably old, even in the early 1900s. So amazing. I'm gonna see if I can get these because it's so cool, especially this one. So cute and beautiful little bottle. Just found this. Feels like a piece of leather. Oh yeah, it's pretty hard. Huh. Weird. What do you think you're doing? Little asshole. So I dug out some more of this. Got a good amount done. Well, I've been breaking it up with the smaller, like the trench shovel, wherever that went. There. And then scooping up with the shovel, the big one. And then got a nice long board to be a nice ramp. Been taking out several loads, but it's getting a bit late. I'm going to get home. And then the next video, I think I'm probably going to spend a lot of time working on this. Maybe bring over a nice big sledgehammer to start breaking up this concrete in this drain. I wish that was a well. That'd be really cool if it was, but it's just a drain. I really hope there's some bottles here because that'd be so darn cool. Because those ones are like, what, they're like blob tops or glob tops? Blob tops, I think they're called. Pretty old. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!